Tyson, the Subaru specialist from Subaru Prince George here, and today we're taking a look at the 2026 redesigned Subaru Outback Premier XT in the River Rock Pearl. So this is the absolutely fully loaded Outback in the new body style, more SUV styling. This is powered by a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder boxer engine producing 260 horsepower and 277 pounds-feet of torque. Tons of power in a vehicle of this size. We've got 8.7 inches of minimum ground clearance, which is more than your average half-ton pickup. And of course, being a Subaru, you get their full-time legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive. Now, we do have backup sensors integrated into the rear bumper. It'll stop you if you think you can hit something in reverse between speeds of 1 and 15 kilometers an hour. Got the raised badging on the back. Power liftgate, you can activate from the door or the key fob. And we've got a very spacious cargo area, quite a bit of an improvement over the previous gen in terms of storage. Got this new flexible cargo cover. You can turn it into a hammock for storage, keep things out of sight, out of mind. Comes with the cargo tray with the mountain motif. We've got a 12-volt power point and storage cubbies. We've got nice hard mount physical tie downs in each corner. And being the full load, you do get the upgraded Harman Kardon audio system, phenomenal audio system. We have these handles, and you can fold the seats down to increase your storage. But a significant improvement in storage over the previous gen. It's boxier and a little bit wider. Large third windows, visibility is phenomenal in this. Roof rails with integrated tie-down points. Second row, much like the storage area, more room, lots of headroom, lots of legroom. You can easily fit 3 passengers comfortably across. This is the Napa leather upholstered interior. Fold down armrest with integrated cup holders. Off the center console, we do have vents, USB ports for charging, and the outboard seats are heated with high and low settings. We have matte back pockets on the backs of both front seats. They've divided into 3 sections. Textured step if you're loading anything on the roof of the Outback. Door card is soft touch, armrest is soft touch, and we do have a fabric bottle holder. Stops things from, clanking around, making noise. Child lock's easy to access. Front door card looks very, very similar. All 4 auto windows, window lock, 2-position memory settings. Perfect if there's 1 or 2 regular drivers. Again, carpeted bottle holders and a little bit of storage there. It is a power driver's seat with lumbar, and it's the same Napa leather up front as it is in the second row. Premier does have a thigh extender, great for those of you who are longer legged. And of course, we do get the tilt and slide sunroof in the Premier. Inside the Premier Outback with it running, we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. We have our Bluetooth and audio controls on the left-hand side. You can access Google Assistant or Siri through voice commands there. We've got our adaptive cruise and our lane centering, which use these 3 black boxes behind our auto dimming rear view mirror to look for cyclists, road lines, pedestrians, and other vehicles. This is also where we gain access to X mode, which is like our 4-low in a pickup. Great for off-road, rough stuff. Full digital dash, 12.3 inches. And you can change what you're looking at info-wise. The bottom there. We have the driver focus system. It'll scan your face in, tell if you're distracted or drowsy while behind the wheel. We have a 12.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system here, kind of broken into a section like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Put it in reverse. The Premier XT does get a 360-degree camera. You can change the view if you want, depending upon your preference. Below that, we have physical buttons for most of our climate controls, fan strength, direction of airflow, and of course it is dual zone. And the Premier does get 3 stages of heated and 3 stages of ventilated seats for both the driver and the passenger. Great for those hot or very cold days. Below that, we've got USBs. There is a cord holder right there if you need that. Wireless charger. And then over here, quite deep storage that is designed for a cell phone or similar device. Automatic CVT, we do have manual mode. You can use the paddles if you want to manually select your own gears. And we have some physical buttons to disable the auto start-stop. You can activate the camera, disable traction control, and activate auto vehicle hold, which is a brake holder. Easily accessible cup holders and 12-volt power point. A really nice soft touch armrest with a ton of storage in it. Then we have our smart view rear view mirror. So if there's a passenger or cargo blocking our view, we can turn on the camera that's in the back window and see behind us. Above that, we've got our sunroof controls, our SOS and roadside, and our sunglass storage. That is a quick look at the 2026 Subaru Outback Premier XT in the River Rock Pearl, and you can find that down here at the corner of 1st and Victoria, Subaru of Prince George.